So one of our projects here at Ace Customs is this E30 325 that originally came to us via a customer who brought his GTR to us, and he brought the 325 to us. It actually was a Lexus powered and will again be a Lexus powered E30. It was a race car, mainly used for track days and stuff like that. The car was pretty cool, had some cool elements, some very out there exhaust coming out the side of the car, those sort of things. But the overall finish and quality of the car just wasn't at the level that he wanted it at. So part of the way through the project we were busy with the restoration, and he actually found a picture on the internet of the Rocket Bunny E30, and he decided that instead of just restoring the car to a standard E30, we were going to do the full Rocket Bunny kit on the car. Still have to decide on wheels and a couple of other things, but when it's done it's going to be very special.